All right, we're going to be looking at how to do this isometric view. What I've given you is this little page over here with the dimensions, etc. And the question's asking for an isometric view of this thing, a full sectional right view of it. Okay, so you've got a right view, front view, and top view over there with the section line going through there. Right, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to open up that IAB test run story. Sorry, not IAB test run, let's just try that again. The IAB revision thing. Right, there we go. There's the page that we've sort of set up, and let's just go to the model space over here. Just going to zoom out because we don't want to lose that helix that we did, and we can just, there we go, start somewhere over here. Right. Let's start out, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in here to the space, the angle over here, just under space units, and you'll see that there is something called a step angle. You need to change that to 30 degrees and you press OK. Right, once you've done that, you can come in over here and you can click on angular construction line, click in here. If I move this thing around and press shift, you'll see that it locks to certain angles which are 30 degrees. So click there, speed it over there, click there, and click over there, giving me the 3 lines that I need to start my isometric drawing on. All right, let's see. Well, first of all, it says that I've got a 240 millimeter distance that I need to go across from that corner to that corner of this octagon. Okay, so to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go in here to a construction line circle, click on there, and press tab and go 240. Okay, press enter, and there we go. We've got a 240 circle over there. All right. In other words, if I draw a line going from there to there, that will be 240. I'm just going to show that to you. Click there, click there. If I put a dimension on that, you'll see that I have my 240. It's just, there we go. You can see 240 millimeters. Okay, Control Z, I don't need that. All right, what I need to do now is I need to go up 77 millimeters from there. So I can go in over here, I can click in over there, and I can go tab 77, tab 90, press enter. That will give me a line at 77 millimeters. Go back there, angular construction line, press there, press shift, click, escape, click there, press shift, click, no. Press shift, click, escape, and I can then draw in a line going up from there to there. Right, the next thing we need to do is to find the center of this line. You can see that I've got my snaps on. It already snaps to the center of that line, so I can automatically go in here, click on that, press a line, press a little line going up there. What I would suggest you do is possibly even put in a center line at that point. It'll just help you to draw more quickly. So just pop in a center line quickly, just from there to there, and that will help us to get things when we need to delete construction lines. All right. Once we've got that, it says that I have got 138 millimeters. Okay, so if I divide that 138 divided by 2 equals 69. All right. So if I come in over here and I don't go to parallel lines. Never go to parallel lines with this. Go to that circle story, and you're going to pop a circle in there, which we are going to say tab 69, enter, and I now have the 2 positions along that line, which will be the correct distance apart. Right, once we've got that, I'm just going to put in some construction lines over here, just vertical construction lines from the intersection of that circle and from the intersection of that circle. Make sure that you get the correct point. Right, once you've got that, it says that I need to come down. Oh geez, I haven't got that measurement in. Okay, it's exactly halfway on this thing. All right, so I'm just going to go over here, pop that in there, press a shift and escape. Okay, so I'm coming down exactly halfway over there, and I can draw in a line going from there. Sorry, let's just get the correct line type. Outline, going from there to there, from there to there, going from there to there, sorry, let's just get that, Control Z, just make sure that you're always going to the correct points, from there to there, from there to there. Right, that's that part done. The next thing that says that I need to go 89 millimeters, so I'm just going to divide that. 89 divided by 2 equals your 44.5. I'm going to go into my little circle over here, click on that circle, go in there, and 44.5, tab, 44.5, enter. Okay, and I can now draw in my vertical construction lines going from that point and from that point over there, and I can now draw in a line going from there to there, a line going from there to there, line going from, let's just zoom in over here, there to there, there to there. Right, once I've got that, I'm just going to trim this thing. Come in over here, take that trim, go onto that construction line and that construction line, press enter, and I'm going to trim out that piece of line over there. Right, once I've got that, I can now go back to my angular construction lines over here, and I'm going to draw in a line going at 30 degrees going over there, escape, line going at 30 degrees over there, press escape. Okay, right, this thing then goes back 107 millimeters. Okay, so I need to go to the circle over, go to the circle story over here, click on a circle, and we go 107. Sorry, not 107, because we've got half of it. So let's just go 107 divided by the 2 is equal to 53.5. Okay, tab 53.5, press enter. I can now draw in a line going from there to the edge of that circle, going over here, get your angular construction line, go over there, press shift, click, escape. Okay, that will give me the lines that I need. So I go from there out to there, from there to there. Right, once I've got that, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clear some of these construction lines. I don't think that I need all of them. So edit, clear all constructions. That clears it up nicely. I can now take lines going over here, just angular construction line. From that corner, press shift, click, escape. From that corner over there, shift, click, escape. Shift, click, escape. From that corner, shift, click, escape. Go to that corner up there, shift, click, escape. From that corner over there, shift, click, escape. And that's basically everything that I need. That's that. We do need the dimension over here. It says that it's 89 millimeters going across there, so I'm just going to do that quickly. Go in here, go to the circle, click on that. It's half of 89, so we just go 89 divided by 2 equal, oh geez, no, that's not it. Escape. 89 divided by 2, 44.5. Right. Tab 44.5. Enter. Right. Once you've got that, we can draw in some lines going from that point to there. I'm going to draw that line from there to there. I'm going to draw that line from there to there, that line from there, sorry, escape, that line from there to there, that line from there coming across to there. I need a line just from that corner over there coming across, shift, escape. I need a line coming from that corner, coming down over here, shift, escape, from that corner over there, shift, escape, escape, right, and we can then draw in these lines quickly over here, from there, going to there, from there, going to there, there, going to there, from there, going to there, and that's the base thing of this thing. Right, okay, the next thing is to draw off the measurements over here. Now it said that it was 124 going across. Now I've got that center line over here. That is going to be very useful to me. I'm just going to clear all the outlines. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Clear that. Edit. Clear all constructions. I've now got that center line. I'm just going to take a line going back from the top of that center line. Oh gee, sorry, let's just do this. Sorry, I'm drawing a... come on, what's going on here? Okay, whatever. Right, shift, click. Okay, what on earth is going on here? Sorry. It says you are currently working on an invisible layer. Right, not really. Okay, right. I'm now going to switch the lines back on again so it doesn't give me that message anymore, and you can see I've now got my construction line coming across from the top of the center line that I had in there, and I need to draw a circle on that line, which is going to be the same as that 240, but just divided that by 2, so just 240 divided by the 2, and that's 120 that I need. So I go into my circle over here, go into the top of that story over there, and do that 120. Okay, so tab 120, is that right? Okay, right, once we've got that, well, we've got the corner of the, what's his name? I'm just going to draw in a center line, going from there, coming back over here, and from that I can then start drawing all the lines for this octagon. Now, for me to draw that octagon, what I would suggest you do is you actually just draw a little octagon to that size. So I go in over here, I'm just going to draw a little auxiliary view of the octagon. So here we go, there's my polygon. Tab to change that to 8 sides, and the radius that I need is going to be 120. Okay, so tab 120, and click on there. Sorry, tab 120. Sorry, naught. That's the angle, tab 120, that's the circle that goes around it, and press enter. Right, there's the octagon. Now what we need to know is some of these dimensions. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw some dimensions on this thing, just to get something going over here. Just orthogonal dimensions. I need this dimension coming from that corner over there to that corner over there, and just do that, and it says that I've got 84.85 millimeters going to there. The other dimension that I need is from that corner over there to that corner over there, and that is 33.65. Right, once I've got that in place, I'm going to go to this corner over here, and I need 84.85, so I'm going to draw in a construction line coming from that corner, going out, shift, enter, escape at least, and I'm going to draw a little circle over there, like this, click there, and that was 84.85, tab 84.85, enter. Right, once I've got that, I can draw a construction line coming back. Let's just draw a construction line from there, going back over here, shift, click, escape, and I go in with another circle over there with the dimension of, I said that it was 33.65. So we just need to go in over here. Sorry, let's just find my drawing again. 33.65 there. Tab 33.65. Enter. All right. So I now have a point that I can go to over here for this line. So I'm going to go in here, get the line, click on there, come across with an outline, not a center line, to that point over there, and I can go click on there to that point over there. Right, once I've got that, what I need is basically the same story on the other side. Let's just see what we can do over here. I can't mirror it around that line, unfortunately. I'd have to go through that whole process again. I'm going to leave it for now because I'm going to be drawing in a whole lot of stuff, and you might find that it's easier to finish this thing off later. Let's just see. Actually, maybe the quickest and easiest way of doing it. Sorry, let me do this. This is quick and easy. I'm just going to go to that center line over there, draw a circle going from there to there. That gives me the point straight away, so I can actually draw that in. A line going from there to there, and a line going from there to there, and I've got that octagon. Right, once we've done that, I can then drop a perpendicular line down from that corner over there. Press Shift, click, Escape from there. Sorry, let's not do that. I need to draw a... I need to go down this thing, 77, so press there, click on that, press tab 77, tab 270, press enter, and you've got that line over there. Click on that, go to that corner over there, click on that. Right, there we go, that's the base part of this thing done. The next thing that we're going to do is to, well, first of all, let's just clear all these construction lines, edit, clear all constructions. Right, once I've done that, the next thing to do is to get this story going over here. I need to get that angle over there. So what I need is, first of all, just draw a little, some construction lines over here. Let's just go over there, Shift, click, go to the 60 degree over there, click that, Escape. This thing is, how high? It says 103. Okay, so I'm going to draw a construction line going straight up over here. Okay, and I'm going to come in over here, tab, parallel line, tab 103, enter, go over here, click on that, go up there, 103. Okay, once you've got that, you'll then be able to draw a line coming straight down over here, click that in, and I now have the distance that I need in order to draw. So I'm just going to draw a line going from there to there, and a line going from there to there, a line going from there to there, and you'll, Control Z, line going from there to there, and that gives you everything that you need for those dimensions. So I'm just going to put those dimensions in here. There we go, and it says that that is 59.47, and obviously that distance over there was that 103 that I said. The angle over here, obviously that was the 60. Let me just show you how to do that angle. When you're doing angles, right click, properties, you go to the format of the angle, okay, keep force text horizontal, go in here, say move text no leader, press OK, click on that line, there's your 60 degrees, and there we go. You can then put the 60 degrees in the correct place. Right, those dimensions over there, I'm just going to draw in a line going from there, that's Shift, Enter, there, over there, and I need a line going this way, Shift, press OK, and we say that I need to come back 31 millimeters, so go into your circle over here, click on that, go to the corner over there, tab 31, enter. That gives you a point that you can use. Get your construction line, press Shift, click Escape. That's the 31 millimeters that you need over there. I now need to measure 59.47 millimeters across. So again, go to that circle, click on that, go to that point over there, and we said that it was 59.47. Tab 59.47, enter. And I now have the point that I can go up from. I'm going to draw a line going straight up from that point over there. Let's just zoom in, make sure that I'm getting the correct point. That's correct, okay. That's going straight up over there. I can now draw in, I'm just going to actually draw in a construction line over here just to get that point. You can see that I've got construction lines. So I'm going to draw a line going from that corner over there, going straight up, and I said that that dimension needed to be 103. Okay, so tab 103, and it is going at tab 90. Press enter, and you now have a construction line going up to the point that you need it. I'm going to draw in another construction line going from that point over there across to that point over there, and I can then edit, clear all constructions. Right, once I've done that, I can then start drawing some lines going over here. Let me just get that done, and then we can continue. Just there we go, there we go. Carrying on over here, I'm just going to put a construction line again, coming along here, Shift, Escape, okay. I need to come out here. It says that this has a thickness of 10 millimeters. So from that point over there, I'm going to come out that 10 millimeters. Let's just get a construction line circle, go to that corner over there, and click on that. Tab 10, enter, that gives me that, and I can now draw in a line going up over here, which I'm going to draw it as a center line. So from that point over there, I'm just going to shoot that straight up, press Shift so it goes straight up, and don't worry about the length just yet, okay. Along that line, I'm going to have the center of the circle over here, so I can now go 197 up there from that point to get the center lines that I need. So I'm going to go and get my circle over here and go to that point over there, click on that, and tab 197, enter. All right, that gives me that center over there. I'm just going to draw in a construction line from that point, Shift, enter, escape. And once I've got that, I now start looking at doing these circles in over here. Right. It says that I've got a radius of 56 millimeters over here for this circle. So I'm going to draw in that little square. How do I do that? Well, first of all, I need my center line. So I'm going to draw in a center line. Press Shift, click there, click on there. Press Shift, click on there, okay, and I'm going to then draw in a circle with a radius of 56. So go to my circle over here, go to that center over there, tab 56, enter. That gives me the circle that I need, and I can now draw in some construction lines going from that intersection over there. In fact, let me just edit, clear all constructions. Let's make this easy for myself. Let's do that circle again. Get the circle, go to that point over there, tab 56, enter. Go get your construction lines, click on there, press Shift, enter, escape, go to that point over there, Shift, escape, go to there, Shift, escape, press there, Shift, escape. Now, for this exam, they want to see that done as construction lines. So go in there, select your construction line, and you're going to go click from there to there, from there to there, from there to there, from there to there. All right, and once you've done that, draw a line coming across from that corner to there, draw a line going from that corner up to there, and that gives you the intersections that you need in order to draw the circle part. Right, to draw the circle, go into your circle thing over here, click on arc, make sure that it's saying bilayer, bilayer, bilayer over there, select the outline. You're going to come in over here and you're going to click on that center that you created, go up to that point over there, click on it, then click on it again, and you can then draw in an arc which comes around from there to there. The second part of the arc, click on that corner over there, click on there, click again, and you're going anti-clockwise, and there we go, we've got that arc drawn in. Right, once we've done that, you need to draw in that arc coming round over there. It says that it's a 72 diameter. Sorry, that was the 56. Oh, blah. I just messed up there. Right, okay. I actually didn't need to do as much PT. I can actually delete that little arc over there. Okay, just delete that. You only need that top part of the arc in order to continue. Let's draw the circle on the center. It's a diameter of 72. So let's just do that. 72 divided by 2 is equal to a 36 radius. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my circle again, come in over here, and I go tab 36, enter. All right, that gives you that little circle in the center over there. I'm going to get my construction lines again, go to that point over there, press shift, escape, go to that point over there, press shift and escape, go to that point over there, press shift, escape, go to that point over there, shift, escape. All right, once you've done that, I'm going to come in over here, draw in my constructions again, okay? Maybe if you want to, you can change the color of your construction line just for making it easier for yourself. Draw in some construction lines coming over here for that little square story. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, right. Need to draw a construction line going from that point to that point over there. Go to your circle story that we were just using. Go in there to that point, go to that point over there. Click on it again, okay, and go in an anti-clockwise direction to that point over there. Go to the corner over there of that construction line square. Click on there, click again, and go in an anti-clockwise direction down to there, and that gives you the circle that you need. Right, once we've got that, I can draw in a construction line coming across from that point, shift, click, escape, and I can then draw in a line coming straight down from that point. Sorry, no, escape. Oh dear, I nearly messed up there. Control Z, take that construction line away. I need to draw a construction line coming out from there. Remember, we need that 10mm gap. Right, shift, escape. Okay, that gives me that point over there. From there, I can draw my construction line coming out from there. Shift, escape, and I can now draw in a line coming down over here from there, and that must be a outline. Select that, click there. Right, that I can now take a line coming from that point over there to there, from that point over there up to there, that down to there. Right, I've got this angle over here, which I'm going to just move across. So I'm going to get that little arrow over there, click on that, select my line over there, edit the reference point, click that over there, and I'm just going to move that across to there. Right, that gives me the correct story over there as far as the angle that I need. Once I've got that, I can now Measure back over there. I'm just going to come in over here and just edit, clear all constructions again. Press escape. Right, you can sort of see that I've got the shape of this thing. That line over there, I'm going to have another one of those placed over there. So I'm going to go rubber stamping it. I'm going to come in over there, rubber stamp that over there, draw a line going from that point coming across to there. Okay, I'm going to then extend this out so that I've got that 10mm gap. So I'm going to come in over here, press that construction line over there, shift, press escape, go in there, shift, escape, go over here, shift, escape, and from there, shift, escape. Right, once I've got that in place, I need to draw in a little circle with a 10mm radius. So go in over here, tab 10, enter, and I can now draw in a construction line coming straight down from that point over there. Okay, once I've got that, I can draw in some lines. Line coming across from there to there, line coming down from there to there, line going across from there to there, and go in, line going from there to there. A line, I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to just draw in. I'm going to select that line again over there. Make a rubber stamp over here. Click that and go over there. And that gives me my angle coming down at the correct position and everything. I can draw in a line coming down from there to there. And that is practically everything done except for this arc that we still need to draw in over here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let's just switch off the construction line layers. I think that that's a good idea. And I need to draw in some center lines at the back over here. Let's just get that construction line going over there. Shift, escape. You can draw in a center line. Just use the center line over here. Shift going out there. Shift it out over there a little bit. Okay, draw in another set of center lines. Shift coming out over here. Shift that going out there. All right, now once you've done that, we can take this arc and we can move it across. So I'm going to just select that arc over there. Edit the reference point. There. Make a rubber stamp of that. And shift that over there. I'm going to press escape, escape again, select that arc, edit the reference point, okay, that will be over there, make a rubber stamp of that, and just move that across to that point over there, press escape. Right, once you've done that, you can do some trimming over here. Trim this. You need that little piece of the arc to disappear, so click on that arc over there, press enter, go to that little arc over there, and that will disappear. Press escape, and you now have your circles and everything done. Once you've done that, you need to trim away that little piece of line over there. So again, trimming on that line over there, and on that line over there, press enter. Click on that line over there, press escape. Right, that's everything done. You can get your construction lines back again, and there you go. That will give you all the constructions, etc. that you need for this. Edit, clear all constructions. Right, turn off the center lines, okay? And you're now going to do some some hatching. Oh dear, sorry, there's one last little thing there that you need to do. Just switch that off as well. Close that, and I need to get rid of that little line in there. So we're going to trim that. Trim that. You've got that line over there, that line over there. Press enter, get rid of that line, okay, and that's going to help us to hatch this whole area all at once. You need to go to draw, go to hatches, go to pick point hatching, go to the properties of the hatching, go to the brush. You're needing that brush type over there, and you are going to want the scale of this, put it at scale 15. For this particular drawing, you can fiddle around with that to get the correct scale. I've just found that 15 works really well. Click in there, and click in there. Right. Now you'll see that that angle doesn't look so lacquer, so just press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Just do the properties of that again. The angle over here says it's at 0. Okay, I want you to push on 30 degrees. Press OK. Click on there, and click on there to make it the correct hatching for this for the isometric drawing, giving you that idea that it is a 45-degree hatch that you've got on there. Right, once you've got that, go back again, switch on your line layers that were switched off, go over there. You can just do some trimming of these lines over here, of the what you call them, center lines that you've got hanging out a little bit too far. Just press snaps off over there. Let's just do that over here. Press over there. Just do a angular construction line going across. Let's just put snaps on over there. Click on that line. Shift, escape, and you can now trim. Let's just go on that construction line, enter, and those two, you can get rid of that. I'm just going to do a construction line again from there, shift, and we're going to trim on that line, click on that line, and those two lines over there, escape, edit, clear all constructions. Right, once you've done that, you've pretty much finished with everything over here. They want to see these auxiliary views, so maybe just move them so that they are very much part of your drawing. There we go, there we go. You can move that in there, that in over there. And once you've done that, view, go to name view, create a view, select that whole story over there, go OK, come into your layout space over here, and you're going to go view, viewport, click in that corner, go to your view, go to close, and there we go, there's your isometric view. Click on the viewport, right click, go to properties, go to the viewport, go to where it says scale. It says scale 1 is to 1 point something what, so just make that 1 is to 2, and you can then have that beautifully drawn on your thing and press save. Possibly I should be saving more. Once you've done that, you need to come to this table over here. Just select that table. Let's just do that again. Select the marking table, that's what we're wanting. Double click on it, okay? And then you can put in all of the information that they want over here. Remember to use bold where they've got bold. Remember to put the marks in, etc. When it comes to the formatting of the cells, sometimes it wants to give you dates, etc. So if I come in over here and I say 22/50, sometimes it won't give you 22/50, it's going to give you a date. So just get the format right. Right click, go to format of the cell, and sorry, let's just cancel that. Just going to type in a whole lot of stuff over here 55, 22, enter. Right click. Let's just go in there, format of the cell. When you're doing that, check that it's on general and not on date or anything like that. If it still gives you problems, make it text, and you should be able to do that. Right, once you've done that, close, and you'll have that writing in there correctly done, and you can then have that printed out. Super.